नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल आर हैप्पी, सेफ इन हाउस, गुड. स्टडी वेल, राइट योर होमवर्क ऑन टाइम, नीट एंड clean. Okay, so before starting the class, as usual, we will go for Hindi speaking learning. So, first we will know in English how we will ask the question what, why, where, whom. In Hindi, how to say what? In Hindi, we will say kya. What we will say? Kya. Who? WHO. Who? Who means कौन. In Hindi, what we will say? कौन. कौन है. वहाँ कौन है. Who is there? Where? Where are you going? So, WHERE, where. In Hindi, what we will say? कहाँ. What means क्या. Who, कौन. Where, कहाँ. Why, क्यों. Why, क्यों. Who, कौन. Which one, किसका और किसके. Whom, किसको. Okay. So this all are questions in Hindi how we say. 1-2 example I will give you, like what is this? What is this? Hindi we will say यह क्या है. यह means this. यह means this. क्या, what, is, है. What is this? Okay. English and Hindi both are running opposite. See here, first in English what it has come, but in Hindi it is in center. Is in center, but in Hindi hai is the center. In Hindi hai is the last. Yah, in Hindi it is in first, and in English that is a last. So if you will see, it will run opposite to each other in writing way. What is this? यह क्या है. ये क्या है. ये means many things are there. Like these are books, these are balls, these are laddus. Okay. ये क्या है. What are these? वह क्या है. वह means what is that. That means वह. This means यह. That means वह. वह क्या है. What is that? वे क्या हैं. Means somewhere far many things is there. Means वे क्या हैं. What are those? So this is related to what. Now we will go for who. Who in Hindi we will say कौन. What we will say? कौन. हम कौन हैं. Who are we? वह कौन है. Who is he? वह means he. आप कौन हैं. Who are you? वहाँ कौन है. Who is there? Okay. Who is there? वे कौन हैं. Who are they? So now you understand how to ask question in Hindi. Now we'll go for where. Where means कहाँ. तुषार कहाँ है. Where is तुषार. कहाँ means where. सुशीला कहाँ है. Where is सुशीला. लाल किला कहाँ है. Where is Red Fort. So where means कहाँ. If I am asking like रोहित कहाँ है, means where is Rohit. So now we have learned here in Hindi speaking English questions in Hindi how to say why, what, where, whom, how, who. This all in Hindi what to say. Next we will go for lesson. Today class we will know about द्वित्व व्यंजन. What is that? Dvitva Vyanjan. Okay. Vyanjan, you know what is that? Vyanjan means are Hindi letters. Like your ka kha ga gha, like swar and Vyanjan is there na? Swar means a, I, o, o. And what is Vyanjan? Ka kha ga gha. Ka to gya, you have learned na? That is Vyanjan. Now, what is this Dvitva Vyanjan? Dvitva Vyanjan means, do means two. You all know, ek, do. Do means two. So, Dvitva Vyanjan means one Vyanjan, one letter, two times it's coming. Okay. If one letter two times repeating to make a word, that is known as a Dvitva Vyanjan. When two same letters are joined, they are called joint letters. While pronunciating the joint letter, the sound of the first letter is stressed. Dvitva Vyanjan. Like, we will see some example. Pa, half ta, full ta, a ki matra. It's become patta. So here ta, two times it has come. One is a half ta and one is a full ta. And how we will pronounce that? Patta. Okay? We will say patta. One very fast we are saying, and second one we are putting little pressure. Okay? Patta. Second one little long we are saying. Second one ullu. U, half la, full la, and bada u ki matra. It's become ullu. In this also two times la letter has come. One is small and one is full. Half la, full la. Pronunciation will be ullu. Next, ba, choti e ki matra. If this letter, after this letter e ki matra is there, means first letter this matra will come. So, ba, choti e ki matra b, half la, full la, and badi e ki matra. It's become billi. What is that? Billi. Billi means cat. Ba, half cha, full cha, a ki matra. Become bachcha. Bachcha means child. Okay. So, this is a Dvitva Vyanjan. Dvitva Vyanjan means one in any word, same letter, two times it's coming. So, first letter will be half and second letter will be full. And when we are pronouncing that letter, first letter very fast we have to say and second letter little long we have to say. Like patta, ullu, billi, bachcha, kachcha, sacha. Lot of letters are there which is known as a Dvitva Vyanjan. So, in your book, there is a small poem that is for reading purpose only, because in this poem there is no exercise. Okay. So, we will do reading practice for this. Chanda mama. Cha chape ang ki matra chan, da pe a ki matra da. Chanda ma ma. Chanda mama. Chanda means moon. Chanda means moon. Mama. Mama means uncle. Actually, in Hindi, mama means your mummy brother. Mama means mummy brother. Okay? That is mama. Chanda mama. In Hindi, chanda mama we will say to moon. Okay? Moon we will say mama. Chanda mama. Now, we will read. Chanda mama दौड़े आओ. द पे औ की मात्रा दो, र पे की मात्रा रे, दौड़े. आ ओ आओ. चंदा मामा दौड़े आओ means चंदा मामा run and come, run and come. दूध कटोरा भर कर लाओ. दूध means milk. दूध means milk. कटोरा बाउल. भर कर लाओ means fill and bring. So चंदा मामा दौड़े आओ, दूध कटोरा भर कर लाओ. And when you are coming, bring a full bowl of milk. उसे प्यार से मुझे पिलाओ, मुझ पर छिड़क चांदनी जाओ. उसे प्यार. See here प्यार how it is written, half प, या पे आ की मात्रा या and र. प्यार से मुझे पिलाओ. And that milk with love make me drink. मुझ पर छिड़क चांदनी. च पे आ की मात्रा चा and top चंद्र बिंदु is there, so it's become चा द नी. चांदनी जाओ. And when you are going, just spread some moonlight on me. Okay, so चंदा मामा दौड़े आओ, दूध कटोरा भर कर लाओ. उसे प्यार से मुझे पिलाओ, मुझ पर छिड़क चांदनी जाओ. मैं तेरा मृग छौना लूंगा. म पे री की मात्रा मृ एंड ग मृग. छ पे औ की मात्रा छौ, न पे आ की मात्रा ना, छौना. ल पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा लू एंड टॉप चंद्र बिंदु इज देयर, सो इट्स बिकम लू. ग पे आ की मात्रा गा, लूंगा. मैं तेरा मृग छौना लूंगा, उसके साथ हंसूं खेलूंगा. उसके साथ हाँ, ह पे चंद्र बिंदु हाँ, स पे चंद्र बिंदु एंड बड़ा ओ की मात्रा सू, हंसूं. ख पे ए की मात्रा खे, ल पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा लू एंड चंद्र बिंदु बिकम लू. ग पे आ की मात्रा गा, खेलूंगा. उसके साथ हंसूंगा खेलूंगा. Like moon is looking like a toy. Okay, so he is saying, that boy is saying, I will take that and I will play with that. उसकी उछल कूद देखूंगा. उसकी उछल कूद. द पे एक मात्रा दे, ख पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा खू एंड चंद्र बिंदु खू. ग पे आ की मात्रा गा, देखूंगा. उसकी उछल कूद देखूंगा. आई विल सी हाउ इट्स जंपिंग हियर एंड देयर. उसको चाटूंगा चूमूंगा. उसको च पे आ की मात्रा चा, ट पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा टू एंड चंद्र बिंदु बिकम टू. गा, चाटूंगा. च पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा चू, म पे बड़ा ओ की मात्रा मू, गा, चूमूंगा. उसको चाटूंगा चूमूंगा. वन मोर राउंड विल रीड दिस पोएम. चंदा मामा दौड़े आओ, दूध कटोरा भर कर लाओ. उसे प्यार से मुझे पिलाओ, मुझ पर छिड़क चांदनी जाओ. उसे प्यार से मुझे पिलाओ, मुझ पर छिड़क चांदनी जाओ. मैं तेरा मृग छौना लूंगा, उसके साथ हंसूं खेलूंगा. उसकी उछल कूद देखूंगा. उसको चाटूंगा चूमूंगा. We will see some word meaning in this. Chanda. Chanda means moon. Doodh. Doodh means milk. Mrig. Mrig means deer. Okay. So this is your small poem for reading purpose. You also read and enjoy the poem. Okay children. So today we will finish our small class. Next we will go for, and your assignment will be Dvitya Vyanjan. You have to write in your class work. So today what we have read children? We have read some Hindi speaking about questions. Plus we have read the Dvitya Vyanjan and a small lovely poem about the moon we have read. You do also reading practice. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.